Hey people, in today's internet we have got... This is the cutest video I've seen all day.
This is a real green fire tornado. We got this color by mixing boric acid with methanol and made the tornado by arranging regular fans in a circle to create a vortex.
Oh, it's so sick!
This amazing place is located in the Banff National Park in Canada.
Someone going to stand on an egg.
Please everyone, do not try this at home. This is the view of the Pacific Ocean from space. Hey everyone, what's up? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Make sure to let me know down in the comments whatever part you guys enjoyed the most. Also, if you guys have any personal videos, make sure to send them down in the Discord as well. Keep following your dreams. I will see you guys this Friday. Peace!